And your forecast is an improving one. We can expect some sunshine today. Of course, still waiting for it to come up as we look over towards Kroger Field. But the max track looks pretty good because, and anything on it, we had some flurries diminish over southeastern Kentucky overnight. That big system that just hammered Texas, the deep south with winter weather, snow, historic snow for some. Well, it's pushed east, and now the tail end of it is just some rain across North Carolina, the Carolinas in general, and running up towards Virginia Beach there. So that low's out of here. High pressure's digging in, and we've got a couple of days where we'll start to see more sunshine and start to slowly warm things up. Here's the future track. You can see the sun coming out later on today as those clouds go by the wayside. There will be yet another southern low, but unlike the last couple that have gone through, this one hardly has anything to work with, and it'll be milder. So you're talking about some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder down towards Atlanta as temperatures warm up down south. But then here comes our problem that we'll have after a midweek warm up. We've got a cold front tracking in. That's Thursday morning, so it doesn't get in here until Friday. But once it gets in here, it'll have a significant impact on where we're headed for the weekend. We're in the 20s this morning. It's 23 in Lexington. It's freezing in Harlan, and it's in the low 20s. Flemingsburg 22 right now, and forecast highs for later on today. We're going to edge up into the low to mid 40s, showing around a 41-degree high here. You get all the way down to Williamsburg toward the Tennessee border, mid 40s. Jackson out in eastern Kentucky, much the same. And then overnight, not quite as cold, and during the day tomorrow, as that southwesterly wind really starts to kick in, check it out. We're going to edge into the upper 40s and then likely hit the low 50s Thursday. That is where the warmth will peak. And then here comes the trouble, that cold front that I was talking about. And here's the impact on those highs. I mean, just as we get into the weekend, we're going to go from low 50s, about 10 degrees above average Thursday, to only around freezing for the high Saturday. So get ready for more January gloom as the clouds kick in and the temperature drops for the upcoming weekend. It's too bad we can't work out the next couple of days into a weekend, kind of sync that timing up. January 17th through the 21st, the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook still showing above normal temperatures over the upper Midwest. We're running around normal, which is in the low 40s. So still no significant cold Arctic outbreak. It's still looking like we can start to see that pattern shifting and start to see some of that later in January. But as of right now and over the next week or so, this is more just garden variety cold for us, although Saturday is looking pretty cold with those highs only around freezing. 43 for the high today, mid 40s south, low 40s north. We're splitting the difference. Upper 20s, clear and cold overnight. Tomorrow, here we go, sunshine. This could be the sweet spot Wednesday because we'll be in the upper 40s and have sunshine to work with, but by Thursday we'll be warmer, but the wind starts to kick up. It'll get breezy and then just flat out gusty as that cold front approaches. And by Friday, some rain and snow showers. Now, we're warm enough Friday with that high around 40. It'll primarily be rain with some occasional snow showers mixed in. This is one of those situations. Saturday will be raw, mostly cloudy, a gusty northwest wind and wraparound snow showers, making you remember just what month it is.